Hi, it's Ginny. I wanted to show you on Restream how to put the cool little headline on your videos when you go live. So this is cool. I just did a recording and this saved me, by the way. But if you hit your dashboard, and let's say I'm going to go live, and I go into the live studio, and I invite whoever's coming by hitting this little guy down here. You know, I just copy the link and I send it over to them to let them in. What was that yellow at the top? I'm just curious what it was saying. Oh, I missed it. Whatever. So when I am doing a video for DS Tech, I make sure that it has this at the bottom of our screen so that people know they can go to our website and get their free security assessment for their businesses. Now, when I'm doing home business videos with LearnWithGinny, we use, if you hit graphics, oh, I'm in the way. You can't see it, can you? I'll put me over here. So there's like 3 different themes. You know, you could put it like, let me change it too. These are overlays, by the way, but I like these things at the bottom. Let's see, if I go to captions, it's right there. I have a few of them saved. We have the default one that comes with Restream says follow us on Twitter at restream.io. Mine said subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I like this one. There, more tips at learnwithginny.com, and follow me everywhere at learnwithginny. So that is that. Now if I hit, that's on captions. Then if I hit graphics, I can select these different themes. This is the default. This is the news one that goes all the way across, which is kind of cool. And then there's this rounded version. I think I like the news one the best. It depends. Now, I'm going to show you one more cool little thing. If I turn off captions, let's go over there and turn it off. There we go. Now it just says Ginny, right? So when I invite participants, I like to put their website up too. So I created a graphic, and they call it an overlay. I created 3 of them. And you know what? In the next video, I'll show you how to create these. But once you have them, you upload them. And let's say, I think, yeah, this one I did with my friend Fernand. So I put in the lower right his website, in the upper left my website. So then when we're talking with each other, we can each point to our website at the end of the video and say, make sure you're on our list and subscribing so you don't miss out on any events or workshops that we're having. It's kind of cool. So those are 2 cool graphic things that you can do in Restream. If you want to try Restream out, I'll put the link below my video. And who knows? I mean, I like to play around with different tools, and Restream happens to be the one that I'm subscribed to right now. If I find something better, I'll be sure to share it with you. So again, that's a good reason to subscribe, like, share, and comment, because if you have questions, it gives me more material to talk about on my YouTube channel. And who knows, you might have your question featured on my videos. Talk later. Make it a great day. I will see you around.